I'm wrong here. Anyone can take the vast advantage of being found online with your social media profiles or a blog. You also know that impressive stories are what people want to connect to. And while algorithms often change the new ways to market develop, stories remain as the best way of connecting with people, drawing them in and keeping their interest. So what's your story in book form and how it all goes down? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to write your first blog as So to do that, you need to come up with a content strategy. Undoubtedly, you know best what you want to achieve for your blog. And that's exactly going to be the basis of your story, your goal. Everything else follows accordingly. When you are able to put your content strategy together into one coordinates, you can show that strategy to other members of your team and push your trust and development. So having an outline or book plan helps and get involved to know what is being executed, how and why. Everyone is unique in his or her own way and will differ in branding strategies. However, there are some items that all good strategic plans need to have. Find out your unique why. Why are you in business? Are you trying to find more potential customers? Are you trying to turn casual consumers into more willing buyers? Or maybe you are promoting your skills to people that need it but have not yet found it. So, first of all, set up your goals and make those goals measurable. If you aren't measuring what you are doing, you'll never know if you are doing it the right way or close to reaching your goals. This practice becomes inevitable for your top success. The next point is understanding your audience. Finding out what you want. The most important thing you can learn about your consumers is where they are, when, and how they prefer to receive information. What is it that your target prospects are looking for? What are their pain points? What do they need that you can provide for them, etc.? Understanding the urgent need of your followers and offering the solutions of what they want will keep your leadership desirable and exciting. As a result, your credibility increases tenfold. So finding out what your audience really want, their expectations, and offering them the solutions bring cordial relationship. Create your blog, therefore, with the points mentioned. Creating the content for your blog might seem a little daunting at first, but do not worry. You will get the hang of it as you do it each day. Remember, you can't have a successful strategy without paying attention to the way you are distributing your information. Find out what type of content works best. And do not repeat articles that don't bring criticism or comments. It has been found that finding the most successful distribution of information includes a solid mix of both organic and paid approaches. Now, write down your content in short paragraphs and easy to read. Do not use difficult vocabulary and avoid the passive voice. That being said, you will now head over and perform the fetch as Google to crawl your blog in the Google Webmasters tools. These will enable access of your page by Google, how it renders your page, and whether any page resources such as images or scripts are blocked by it or is rendering properly. To do this, open Google Webmasters tool in your browser and get it done. Now, as said earlier, you will head over to the SARS console. That is the same as the Google Webmasters tool. So first of all, you will have to, this is the page you are arriving. You will have to select the property you are to add. In this example, I'm adding this, and we'll be taking the topic of our liking. For this example, I'm copying my URL like this and head over again and then add it to the Webmasters tool like this, and then fetch, click on the fetch on the right. As you click this, it gets rolling. As of now, I have some redirection being found. Anyway, hit the request index and then you will simply click that you are not a robot. That has been confirmed, and in this case I'm crawling only this page and click the button. Now with that, the indexing has been requested, and this is how you fetch your page in the Google Webmasters tool. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please give me a thumbs up if you like, and also kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.